Max, there's a spider! Hurry, come here!
Oh, calm down, I'll get it.
Ow, Max, the spider bit me! It hurts, what do I do?
Don't worry, let me help you.
Okay.
To heal the spider bite, I just need a potato. Use a knife to cut the potato in half. Lightly dab the potato over the spider bite.
Wow, thanks, Max, it worked!
Oh, you're welcome, Joy.
The spider's still there! Max, can you help me get rid of the spider? It's so scary!
Calm down, Joyce. To get rid of the spider, we can use mint and a spray bottle. Slide the mint inside the bottle. Fill up the bottle with water. Now we shake it up to make sure the mint mixes with the water. Now that it's ready, we can spray the spider.
Okay, hurry, do it! Wow, thanks, Max. The spider's gone!
You're welcome. Now let's go to the Halloween party.
Wait, what about your costume?
This is my costume.
Are you serious? You're wearing that to the Halloween party? We have to get you a new one.
Okay, fine.
Hurry, let's go! What? Amy! Now I can't go to the Halloween party! Oh, I'm so sorry. Here, let me fix it. Amy, stop! You're making it worse! Wait, I know what to do! To remove gum, all we need is mousse and a comb. First, spray mousse over the gum. Then, use a comb to drag it out. See, Joyce? All the gum came out. Wow! Thanks, Amy. But be more careful next time. Okay, but let's go. We're gonna be late for the party now. Hey, Joyce. Hey, Amy. You're back early. Amy, why are you scratching so much? I have so many mosquito bites and it's so itchy. Hold on. Stop scratching. You're gonna get an infection. Let me help you. Yes, please. It's so itchy. To help Amy with her mosquito bites, all we need is a lime and a spray bottle. Cut off the top of a lime. Next, take off the top of a spray bottle. Then, put the top onto the lime. Just spray the lime juice over the mosquito bites. Do this 3 times a day, and in 3 days, you'll be all better. Wow, my arms feel so much better. Thank you, Joyce. Oh, no problem. Want to go trick-or-treating with me? Yes, that's fun. Let's go. Okay.
Oh man, all my glow sticks are dead. Amy, how do you keep yours so bright?
Oh, that's easy, Max. I'll show you. To make your glow sticks last longer, first you need to break some new glow sticks. Next, put the glow sticks in the freezer. After freezing them for 2 hours, warm them up and the glow will last longer.
Oh wow, that's so cool, Amy. Thanks.
No problem. Let's keep dancing.
Yeah. Oh, I love Halloween candy.
Hi, Max.
Oh hey, Amy, you Grim Reaper?
Yeah, did you get a lot of candy?
Yeah, I got a lot of candy. Why are you scratching your arm?
I don't know. It's just really itchy. Oh, shoot. The bucket chafed my arm.
Don't worry, Amy, I know how to help you. We just need cornstarch. Use your fingers to scoop out some cornstarch. Then apply the cornstarch to the chafed area. The cornstarch will create a layer to prevent friction. Do this whenever you carry something to prevent chafing.
Wow, thanks, Max. That helped so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Now we can eat our Halloween candy.
Here, did you want a tray for my M&Ms?
Yeah, here. You can have these.
I'm running late. I need to take off this Halloween makeup. Huh? What do I do? These makeup wipes aren't strong enough. Oh, what can I use? Oh! I can use this baby oil and cotton pads to completely remove my Halloween makeup. Pour baby oil into a cotton pad. Then use it to remove makeup as normal. Perfect! The oil worked! Oh, I have to go change! What should I wear? Ah, my favorite dress! Alright, I'm ready to go! Hey! Ow!
Oh, Joyce, are you okay?
I hurt my knee!
Oh, don't worry, Joyce. I know what to do. Here, eat a slice of pineapple.
Okay.
The bromelain in pineapple helps reduce bruising. Eat a slice of pineapple twice a day for the rest of the week and your bruise will go away.
Wow, thanks, Max. My knee is all better.
Oh, you're welcome. Now let's finish setting up for the spooky party.
Oh, yeah. Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and click the bell button. Give us a big thumbs